the fact that Bravo is not saying anything about this publicly or clearing any rumors or just setting the record straight should just tell Trixie that, girl, let me be left in silence and keep it moving. Let me not comment on this one. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share your opinions in the comment section. My name is Bonso. Guys, as we all know that Bravo B's baby mama has been speaking out, and by speaking out, she was not saying the nice things about Bravo, to be honest. But my problem here, it comes when Trixie come online saying that the BRICS will survive in chaos, in negativity, and all that. Girl, let me break it down for you if you don't know this. You don't even have more than 8 months Uziba Bravo. You don't even know Bravo that much. It's the truth, guys. You cannot tell me that 3 months that you spent together in Big Brother house has given you the reality of who Bravo is. The girl knows Bravo way much better than you. And let me tell you something. In Zulu, they say, meaning that you should never laugh at any man's like wound or pain. And now you're making her pain, you call it a negativity and chaos. Let me tell you something. There's no woman who's special. We're just different individually. We're bringing something different, but we are not special. We are not above bad treatment. Any woman can experience bad treatment. And you are lucky that you are receiving love currently from Bravo. But until when? When love fades, when feelings fades, what will happen? What happens if you have a baby with him? Do you think that you're going to still get the same thing? Because according to her interview, it was after the pregnancy, it was during the pregnancy that she started seeing the real man, the real Bravo B. And when you think this is a joke, we are just joking here, it's fun, it's games. I'm so sad on your behalf, and the day they will kalela go loudspeaker, I'll be the first one to laugh. Guys, I don't want to sound like I want the relationships to go, because I was the one who was advocating for it, because it looks so genuine on camera. It looks so genuine. Chemistry, it feels so real. But then when you hear the things that the baby mama is alleging that is only business, you start to wonder. But again, I'm saying to myself, have you seen the way Bravo is looking at Trixie? Like those eyes, you see, this guy is infatuated. This guy is gone. But at the same time, the red flags are starting to like. But then we are colorblind. We see red as green, girls. We define biology. On other issue, Bravo B's baby mama has I think it's not a GoFundMe, some donation, which I'm happy for her, and people are also, she has, relax. She said she doesn't want your money. She didn't say she doesn't want anyone's money. And in reality, she does deserve some help. If you're a single mother who's going to school, you would know how tough it is to share your NSFAS money with your child. And I could relate to her. I still remember taking my book allowance, all of it, spending on my son. And I didn't even use R1 on me. That's how tough it is for baby mamas. And if I will have something, I'll also contribute. And if I do contribute, I'll come back and tell you that I did contribute. Because tell me that this girl only gets 200 from her food allowance. And as fast now, it's no longer the stepfather, it's actually the step grandparent, because it's taking care of me and my child. We are burdening the system, I'm telling you. And we should never blame the girl and say that, why did you have the baby while you are not ready? Guys, these things happen here. Like, they do happen. The best thing is to learn from them and never allow any men to leave their babies inside your stomach and move forward. Because if you do that, you will be in trouble. In Ramaphosa economy, kids, they need the Lord. They really do. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Do you agree with the way Trixie is moving? Do you agree with that motion? Or you're on the side of like, we are all equal under the shadow of the sun?